Hey there, Pinky Pals. Today we're diving into the world of art and self-expression as we explore 40 cute and kawaii doodles that will brighten your day. They are all about spring. So grab your favorite sketchbook, drawing tools, a drink, and let's get started. We are going to be creating all kinds of really cute florally designs as well as cute animals and things to do in spring. I did a bunch here, so I think there's actually more than 40, but for the sake of the video, 40. So I will also put this on my site. If you want to kind of take a closer look at the doodles that I've created, then you can see that as well. That'll be live. If you're watching this, it's available now, and the link will be in the description. I love spring. I think my favorite part about spring is just the smell of it being fresh. Everything seems like new, and it's just a fresh start, and I love that about spring. I would love to know, what is your favorite thing about spring? Let me know in the comment section below. I love so many things about all of the seasons, but the freshness for me is definitely it for spring. It's just, there's just something so nice about it. It's like last year's done, and even though, we had a brand new year in January, it's like whatever happened before, it's over, it's done with. Now is a fresh start. We get to kind of clean, and I think that kind of ties into the whole spring cleaning, right? It's like you get rid of all of that kind of the crumminess that you held on to through all of winter because it's so dark and gloomy and cold, and you get to kind of break free and start anew in spring, which I really like. I tried to keep the flowers a little bit different than what I normally see. I didn't do just the typical daffodils and things like that, just because you can kind of find those doodles everywhere. So I tried to stick with a couple of flowers, but then like some sprout kind of things. So we did that. We did some cute little animals, some cute little bugs, some little like a kite and things like that. I think I have a kite tutorial, just a mini tutorial. I also have a bird mini tutorial. So if you want to know how to do those a little bit better, or you have any questions about those, or, you're unsure, you can always take a look at those as well. They might help you kind of get a good grasp of it, especially the birds. They can be a little bit more intimidating because there's more pieces to them, but I mean, really it's an easy doodle. I don't do anything that's all that hard, but I do have a tutorial for those too. If you want, I'll link any tutorials that kind of fit in with this in my description as well for you guys. If you have any other comments or suggestions for video ideas, please do let me know. I have a huge long list, but I'd love to know what it is that you want to see. I try to create something that's a little bit different each week, so it's not the same thing over and over again. But at the same time, I also try and create things that the people who are watching my videos are continuing to watch. So, if you're one of those people watching my videos and there's something you would like to see, let me know. I would love to know. I will do it. I mean, if it's within my capability, I will do it. I mean, if you want to see me try and draw something and just completely fail at it, I mean, you've done that already with some of my videos, so I don't mind failing again for you guys if that's what you're looking for. But try to go a little bit easy on me. But I will try anything that I can do, or am able to do, or capable of. I will at least attempt to do. So let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in the future. Other than that, there's really not a lot that I can say here. I just really enjoyed making these doodles. I've really been enjoying the YouTube channel and creating, and I think that I'm getting a little bit better at my videos. I'm trying something new this time as well. I got some software that will record what I'm doing on my iPad, and it's not the same as the Procreate playback. It's in real time, so it doesn't speed it up like crazy. And I thought this was kind of nice to have up in the corner, just so that you can see kind of like what I'm doing with my hands, but then you can also see without my hand in the way. So if it's something that you can't really, you don't really quite see what I'm doing, hopefully that other view will help you out a little bit. And then I put a little flower thing around it because I just thought it was cute. If you like that kind of thing, if you like seeing it like that, please do let me know. I can work on it a little bit more, see what we can get going. And if it works for you, then great. If not, if you're like, no, I hate that, take it away, please let me know that too. Because, I do want to create videos that are enjoyable for you to watch and also something that is helpful for you. And if it's not helpful, if it's distracting, or if it's not quite what you want, let me know. I'll change it. It's not a problem at all. I'm still very new. I'm still very much so trying to find my little corner, I guess, of YouTube and to figure out what it is that I want my channel to really be. So now is the time where I get to experiment and I kind of figure it out as I go, and you guys are a big part of that. So, any suggestions that you have or anything that you don't like that you're seeing, just let me know and we can look at changing it for sure. I love this frog. I think this is the frog. Yeah, this is the frog I'm making. I don't know why. He's kind of has a huge chin, but a lot of times when I create my doodle animals, especially in Procreate, if you attempt to make a circle and then hold down on it, it will just like create the circle for you. And a lot of times it's quite wonky. It's more of an ellipse, I guess, but it's really wonky and it just kind of looks weird. And there's a lot of times where I will take that and I will use it as the head. And I don't know why, but I really enjoy the fact that like that frog now has a huge chin. And it's one of those things that I just kind of think gives it a little bit more character that I necessarily would never have done on my own, and I wouldn't have created it that way. It's the same with I do a bunny as well, and it's the same kind of idea. I did the same thing and I just think it's cute. I don't know why, but these kind of banners always make me think of spring too. So I did some banners. I did all kinds of stuff. I can't even remember now at this point. But I did a lot of really cute kind of spring things, but also stuff that kind of works for everything. Like the bugs, they all kind of work for every season. Spider works good for all kinds of stuff. The hat, not for nothing, but I mean, in the beginning, it could be a spaceship. So hopefully you'll get kind of good ideas from all of it. I love this kind of thing, and I think it works really good, these kind of doodles in like your bullet journal, because they don't take a lot of time, they don't take a lot of effort, and you can create these really cute designs without having to spend an hour designing something. You can use these to make really good, like, visual notes and things like that. And that's another thing that I'm interested in doing, is like a bullet journal kind of vibe. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, I don't go nuts with the bullet journals, but I think it would be fun to do something that's like taking visual notes in a way that actually saves you time, because I feel like bullet journaling now is more, it's less about saving time and more about making your journal look good. I also think I just lost part of my thing just closed on me, so sorry about that. I just realized that there as I'm doing this, and I don't have time to edit it out, so I apologize. See, and here I'm like, I'm getting better at my videos, guys, and then this kind of happens. I guess it is what it is, though. But yeah, so I do have some bullet journal ideas as well, and I will try to do a couple of things. I'm not, by all means, I'm not like a hard and fast bullet journal creator. I do have some I like to make mood trackers and things like that, but I'm not, it's definitely not something that I am really into or do a lot. I definitely don't do it regularly. I'll go through stages where I'll do bullet journaling a lot, and then other times I won't at all. I always find creating the spread, it kind of like, I don't know, exhausts me, I guess, sometimes. So if I'm trying to make something really cute and really pretty and really nice, it gets to the point where I'm just like, okay, it's really cute, it's really pretty, it's really nice, but now I don't want to do anything else with it. And so then I kind of stop journaling, which defeats the purpose of it, I guess. But it is what it is. But yeah, so lots of things coming. I can't remember what I've got planned for next week. I'm going to do a draw this in your style soon, I think. So if you do see anything on Instagram and you're like, hey, this is really cute, I think it would be great if, Alicia did this. If that's something that you think of, feel free to let me know. Tag me in there. Be Pinky Doodles is my tag on Instagram. So if you see it and you think, hey, this would be great for her to do, tag me. I would love to see it. And there's so many. I mean, I already have a bunch that I want to look at. I want to do some that are animals, but I also want to do humans as well. So not just animals, but I will do, some of each. So I have some that I do have planned, but if anyone kind of tags me or says, hey, this is a good idea first, I will definitely take a look at that as well, because I don't want to, if you're going to suggest something, I don't want to leave it out. Likewise, if you have a Draw This in Your Style going, feel free to let me know, and I will, I'll do my best to try it, even if I don't get it into a video. I love joining in when, somebody has done one and there's not a lot of people who have joined in, because I've done one Draw This in Your Style now. I posted it on Instagram and I got quite a few actually. More so than I thought, I guess. I thought I would get maybe one or two, but I actually got quite a few people that joined in, which was really, really exciting for me. And at the same time, it was very nerve-wracking until I started having people do them. Because it's kind of like, you think no one's going to do it and you really worry that nobody liked it. And for me, it was a stressful experience. But also, I really enjoyed it. I also created another character that kind of goes with that character. So that was fun. And I'll have another one. Someone suggested another animal. So I do have that one in the works too, though it's been forever since I started it. That unfortunately is just the way my art goes sometimes. Sometimes I'm really interested in it. Sometimes I just can't stop doing it. And then the next time I'm just not in the mood for it. So it just kind of depends. But yeah, so I'm going to do some Draw This in Your Style. I've got another couple doodly ideas. Just, here's a bunch of doodles. I think our alphabet, we're on the letter C. And then I'm also going to do a whole new kind of video, and I hope that you guys will like it. I have that planned as well. I plan out all of June. Although I don't do bullet journals and stuff like that, I do have my little calendar, and I do make notes, and I put things like that on there. So I guess I do kind of in a way. It's just very basic bones kind of journaling. I don't do any kind of notes or stuff. I just write down what I want to do, mostly for my art, and then I write ideas and stuff. I have so many post-it notes and sticky notes just everywhere. But yeah, so I do have things planned for next month. I have a lot of the same kind of things as far as time-wise. So tutorials are still going to be Fridays, and they're going to be on my blog as well. And then also on Sundays will be a new video. Every Sunday is how it goes, so that will not change. And I keep thinking that we're already in June, but I'm not. It's actually I'm doing my voiceover in the middle of May, and there's still quite a while before I get to June. But I think just because I've now caught up on everything, it's now I'm ready for June. I don't know. I'm just it's not that I'm wishing the time away for sure. I just feel like I've already lived through all of May because I've done everything that I'd planned for May. I think that's kind of why. So it's just one of those things anyway. But I will say too, another kind of doodly thing that I do whenever I want something to look cute and it's not necessarily a cute thing, I'll just put a heart on it. Not that I did that here, but I will just put a heart on it or a smiley face or something like that, and it's instant cute. And yeah, I will do that a lot. And I think it works. I don't know. You tell me if that worked for you, let me know. Yeah. Oh, also guys, I do have the Discord channel as well, and there's not a lot there, I know, but it's there. So if you want to join in, feel free to let us know, but not let us know. Just join. You don't have to let me know. I would love to kind of meet everybody and get to know everyone and talk to you guys, just chatting one-on-one. It would be so cool. So that's there. But I think we're kind of wrapping up. We're almost done. I think we just do the bunny and then that's it. And that is my 40 some spring doodles. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you lasted this long, then you are one of my most favorite people. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in another video. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.